Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been? And now it's been your trading sessions. Hope you have been getting amazing results from all your trading activities. And if you are not making money right now from trading, I come bearing good news. We have that covered for you, all right? And the problem is that many people assume that being profitable as a trader is something that is as easy as just get a strategy or get a signal and then become profitable. However, it goes beyond that. It goes beyond that. There are several things which you must know and you must learn. There is a gap in between knowing how to trade and being profitable as a trader. There is a gap, and that is what we try to fix. We try to bridge in Traders Delight VIP Signal Group. I want to recommend to you to click the link in the description right now, chat me up, and join our VIP Signal Group. Now, once you join, what we do is that before you even take any signal at all, we give you 3 powerful trainings for free. That is no extra cost. The only cost you are paying is the cost of joining the signal group. Once you have this training, even right now we have concluded the 4th training, and we'll be adding that to it very soon. So what this does is that this helps you to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be, which is to be profitable as a trader. I've told people, I say many people think it's just to pick signal and go and trade, and then you realize that many people have signals but yet they are making a lot of losses. So if you want to be profitable, you want to make trading a 9-to-5 job for yourself, you want to make it a profitable business that you can sit at home and run and make a living from it, I encourage you to go to the description right now and click the link to chat me up on Telegram. Chat me up and let's discuss. Guys, if you don't take decisions, then you will keep staying in that particular position and lamenting and looking for a change. You need to take action. I will close with this quote that I've been seeing around from Elon Musk, and it says that if you want to clean your room and you say you want to clean it in 30 years, then it will take you 30 years to clean it. But if you tell yourself you want to clean it in 3 hours, then it will take you 3 hours to clean it. So I want to rephrase that by saying, if you want to become profitable in trading in 30 years, then it will take you 30 years to become profitable in trading. However, if you tell yourself I want to become profitable in trading in 3 months, it will take you that much. So the most important thing is to understand that how fast you go will determine how soon you get your destination. So reach out to me right now. Don't delay. I'm here to attend to you. Chat me on Telegram, and then let's get started. All right, guys, take care.